Hello, judges. This is what my current notes look like. Pretty messy, right? Everything is flowing everywhere. Although I tried to use these kind of arrows to mention all the areas and create a flow, it's still very messy. And then the question arises, what if I wanted to like look up certain part, for example, polyfuse or voltage regulator? I didn't know this topic. What could I do? Then I have to go to my browser and then search it up on Google Gemini or any other AI. That's very much messy. I have to switch my two tabs and all. And what if I want to practice on my current note? What if I want to test my understanding? What if I want to know which topics are most important? What if I want to like access other notes that I've already created inside this note? Or what if I just want to auto write the entire notes with the resources that I already have? So I don't have to focus on note taking, rather I can focus on understanding those concepts. So there, uh, mentioning that gap, I created this app named Layman Notebook. So let me help you go through it. So when you first come in, you just sign in. We'll sign in with Google. It asks for the API key, and here you can see the first difference is there. You see this clutteredness, it is all resolved and presented in a systematic order in my bookshelf. You can access all your books, and there is the community library where you can access all kind of notes from any topic that you might like, and directly use it inside your notebook that I will show you later. So let's use this. Let's open this biology. So this is quite the interface. The interface is designed to be minimal to its core. And whenever if you don't like all these AI feature and clutterness, you can just pull the plug. You can just click on this button and pull the plug, and then just click on back in, and the AI feature reappear. Isn't that cool? You can just fiddle between a traditional note taker and an AI powered note taker. So first thing is we enter our objective, whatever we are trying to learn. For example, let's just enter mitochondria. Then we click on set context. So it sets context for the entire app and checks for goal alignability. And then we can add new items in the objective section. So let me show you one cool feature. What if I wanted to know what mitochondria is? I can just drag and drop, select it, or use the upper selection tool to just mark mitochondria, and then all use all these four key strategically planned AI features. Explain. When I click on explain, our voice
Error
chat agent,
explaining.
it just explains the topic. Currently it's not working because I've just exceeded my Gemini API key. Then there are other features that are present in the same area, like enhance. It just enhances the writing. It just gives you a text, enhanced text, that is now shown in the, as you can see, shown in the staging area. You can just drag and drop the text into your uh, engine and just replace the old text with it. And then there is the analogy that the AI agent was telling you, trying to make you understand. You can just drag and drop that as well into your app. Currently it's showing the error because I have expired the Google API. And you can also drag it drop it anywhere you want. So now there is no need to fiddle around with tabs. All you need is present inside this app workspace, and it is very neatly organized. Then this is the lookup section. You can look up your notes as we talked earlier in the all the community notes. So all your notes data is fetched into one notebook, and you can make the best notes out there. Then there is the visual section. You can create awesome mind maps using this and just drag and drop them from the staging area into your notebook, and they will be present inside your notes. Now comes the question, how will we test our knowledge inside the notes? You can just click on test me button right here, and it will just generate a text for you. Right now it's not working because I've expired the API key, so I cannot like work with it. You can check it out, it will be working on your end. If hopefully when you are checking this, the API has resolved. Then there is the revision function where you can revise based on your notes. There's quick quiz, there's deep dive, there is high yield most important question. It will also create you a cheat sheet for last minute exam prep. then there is the staging area, and then there is the autopilot feature. You can just give it existing resources or YouTube video or topic list, and it will automatically write the entire thing for you. You just have to focus on understanding, and the AI take care of the note taking. Then there is the commute feature, in which you can create your new notes into podcasts and listen to them on the go and consume them passively. So with these additions, with these carefully planned additions, now your notes become lively and very easy to understand, and you become an active listener. And also one more important thing, the autopilot, when it generates authorized the notes, it also blurs out some sections. To unlock those sections, you have to like answer some questions, like explain this topic to me like a 12-year-old. Then only those topics unlock. So it's always active learning and active handshaking. So the whole system is very aware. Whenever you set a goal, it the whole system is aware. And then there is this awesome voice chat agent. The yellow, the green band on his hair indicates that it is actively listening. Then when you leave it, the blue indicates that now it's processing,
Audio processing error.
like you can see, and then it just moves down. So everything is designed in a way that nothing comes in between your note writing and enhancing your knowledge. Everything else is just moved to the side, and this app is very responsive. Then if you go to the tablet view, it automatically readjusts itself. And then there is the switch option. Earlier you have the plug. In the tablet view, you get the switch to just make it a traditional note taking app whenever you don't need the AI feature. So this is my pitch for the InLayman notebook. Help me revolutionize the concept of note taking with this awesome notebook. Thank you so much for listening. I am Shikhar Shahi from Team Afterburners.